Christmas is definitely coming. The towns are all decorating the streets and the shops. They're just beautiful. We took our time to wander around this pretty town with so much German heritage. This shop specialises in spices and hot sauce, and there's hundreds and hundreds of bottles of all different flavours. Also, Mr. and Mrs. Santa sit out the front most days. The Christmas decoration shops in Fredericksburg are beautiful. Here's a selection of some of what we saw for you. Leanne and Terri couldn't resist a rummage in the quilt shops that are all through town. We wandered into town one evening to look at the Christmas display of the lights in the main street, and there was an ice skating rink just behind these. It was lovely to see the children in. We chose a particularly cold evening to go down and look at the lights in town. As you can see, we're all rugged up from the cold. Thank you, Ken and Terri, for joining us here in Fredericksburg. We really enjoyed looking around this pretty town. It really should be on everybody's to-do list. Please subscribe, share and like our video. Until next time, take care.